Hey everyone, this is Alan with another door-to-door quick clip. Today I want to talk a little bit about how I try to help you as a customer figure out exactly what style of garage door that might work best for you and your home. I like to break them down into three main styles. First being the traditional, next would be your carriage house, followed by, I just kind of put it all under modern, some of the newer styles that they're coming out with for a more modern type home. First really being the traditional, probably still our most popular, still most asked for and installed, which is just your traditional raised panel. You typically see them with 4 squares across on a single door, or now they do a long panel with 2 squares across, which is one of my favorites. That's just your basic traditional raised panel door. Next would be your carriage house. Carriage house you typically pair with the decorative handles and strap hinges to make it look like a pair of swing out doors. These have gotten very popular. You can get them with the cross bucs, so they have that kind of farmhouse vibe that a lot of people enjoy. And also your shaker type doors, the smaller recessed panel doors, as well as like Craftsman style doors, your overlay doors. Those are going to fall under the heading of where I put them under carriage house. And lastly would be your modern type doors. Those would be like full view glass doors with the aluminum frames, or real popular right now is a flush door that has some mosaic type windows where the windows don't just go across the top, they go down the sides. You can put them in the middle, you can put them wherever you want to make your own modern design. And also I like on a modern home just your standard flush door, a nice smooth door with no raised panels, nothing on it, just a nice clean look that looks great in a lot of modern homes. So between those three, most of my customers will fall into one of those categories, and once we pick that category out, then we can refine it a little bit more. And I plan on doing some more videos on each specific category, and really showing you the different options that you can put on your home. So please like, subscribe, and keep looking up for more door-to-door quick clips. Again, this is Alan with Door to Door. Check us out on our website at doortodoordesign.com, or you can email us at doortodoordesign@gmail.com. Look forward to talking with you, and see you soon. Thanks. Bye.